The other day it absolutely bucketed it down, and I mean like literally whoosh. You just need to buy one of these really super sexy suits. Yeah, well there you go, that's what most people say. I'm only going to ride when it's dry. Just wait till you're out on a nice dry day and it goes whoosh on you. Just think of me laughing at you and going, I told you so, you should have bought yourself a sexy suit. Lovely. Well done. Fabulous. Obviously the roads are quite wet now, so keep everything nice and smooth, whether that's opening or closing your throttle, starting your braking, finishing your braking, nice and smooth and well planned. And start slowing down a bit earlier than you normally do. Do remember that in the wet, the road itself isn't inherently slippy unless there's diesel on it. It's just that you have slightly less grip. That doesn't mean that as soon as you start to lean, the bike's going to fall over. Just means we don't want to go as fast on your bends, turns and roundabouts as we would in the dry. Let's keep a good eye on those mirrors. And try and spot your change of speed limit as we're coming into a more built up area. The speed limit is likely to change. Lovely. Pick your speed up, Neil. You're miles away from Neil. Gonna have to listen quite carefully on the radio. Sorry, I've got a Nia and a Neil. That's quite tricky to say. Just the rear brake. Clutch in, Neil, because you've got the auto choke on. It's likely to make the bike want to continue to go. Take your time. Nice and steady. Lovely, well done. Lovely. Smoothly accelerate, Neil, off we go. So long as you're smooth, you can accelerate up to the speed limit. At the traffic lights, we're going to be turning right. Make a plan to go round the white car. Try and plan earlier. Well done. Mind the drain covers coming up on the turn. There's 3. There's 1 just in front of you, and there's another 2 coming up. So there's 2 more drain covers coming up on this bend as you come round. Try and stay to the right of them if possible, so you're not going out towards the car on your left. Nice, well done. Nice and smooth. That's it, lovely. Plan your line, look at the bit of tarmac you want to use. Good, well done. Nice. Smoothly accelerate. Lovely. We're going to follow the road around to the right, around to the right. And in this lane, I would indicate, because we could be taking the exit. We're not going to take the exit, but the joining traffic doesn't know that. Good, well done. Good, hold your speed steady as you come round. Well done. There's another drain cover coming up on this left bend, just be mindful of it. Watch the car on your right, near. I don't know why they're indicating left, whether it's just because they're coming off the roundabout or they're indicating because they want to change lanes. Nice, well done. Take your time, we're going to need to find a safe opportunity to move into lane 2. Good, lovely mirrors, well done. I know it's quite hard to see the lane markings when it is this wet. Just try and keep your tyres in position too. Bit more to the left, Neil. Move left, mate. Come into the middle of the lane. Should be staying in the middle of the lane. Lovely. We need to move back into lane 1 because after the bridge we want the far left lane. The far left lane. Lovely. Pop your indicator on, Neil, so this truck knows what you need to do. Lovely, well done. Good. Fabulous. Mirrors. Nice and smooth with those brakes. More like 50-50 with your brakes now it's wet. And then finish with your rear as usual. It is okay to accelerate, you just need to be smooth, okay? I quite like riding in the rain. You have to be focused, you can't be anything but. Lovely. When you're choosing your point of no return in the wet, it's obviously going to be further back. So don't be hammering your brakes on the approach to traffic lights. If they change, go through, okay? Don't whack your brakes on just because they change to amber. Nice, well done there. Car and a half. Well done. So your car and a half is your minimum distance back from that van at all times in case he stops. Stay in this lane, Neil. Stay in lane 2. Look around your bend, hold it steady. Relax your arms so the bike can lean. It's quite common to tense up when it's wet, so you don't let the bike then do what it needs to do. This is the kind of day where you get steam on the inside of your Pinlock, isn't it? Yeah, I know, there's nowhere for it to go. There's too much moisture in the air in general. Nice. Just ask yourself why that white car is dawdling on the left. Are they looking to move into this lane, or are they just dawdling? Lovely. At the next traffic lights, turn left. Keep it slow, it's tight. And also bear in mind, we can't see the surface on this turning, so just keep it slow anyway to give yourself time to assess the surface as you approach. Neil, slow down. Tuck in to the left. Use your clutch. Look up the road. Well done. Good. Same again. Not too quick on your bends, Neil. A little bit close to the van on the left there, Nia. Lovely, well done. Move into the left, Nia. Slow down. Move in, slow down. That's it, well done. Just bring your speed down. Good, well done. And again, keep your speed down for the roundabout. It is quite tight. Just remember, bends, turns and roundabouts are where there's most likely to be fuel spilt. Good, nice lines, well done. Lovely, check your mirrors and smoothly bring your speed up if it's safe. Nice, don't try and go round your drain covers in a straight line, Neil, you don't need to, you're unnecessarily avoiding them. In a straight line they're fine. Well done. Plan for your roundabout. Start easing off early. Start your braking early. Come into the lane, Neil. Nice. No faster, Neil. That's plenty. Keep your speed down, mate. Well done. Good. Right check, Neil, not a left one. Well done. Remember to plan ahead nice and early. Start easing off early. Start braking early. And select the appropriate gear. Lovely, well done. A little bit quick on that one there. Position 2, Nia, you're getting closer and closer to the oncoming traffic. When you get to the roundabout, Neil, take it slow because sometimes this roundabout is slippery. Third exit, right turn. There's a lot of lorries that use this roundabout and spill rubbish all over it. Indicator off, Nia. Third exit, right turn. Just keep your speed down for the entry. Not the smoothest roundabout I've seen, Nia. That was a bit wibbly wobbly. As you go in, try and keep it a little bit tighter to the roundabout. And rather than doing your steering in nudges, try and hold it steady with just a gentle pressure on the handlebar. Move in to the left, away from the lorry. Take the next road on the right, Neil. The next road on the right. It's just after these big trees. Be careful, there's usually a massive puddle across the road. Get your shoulder check, Neil. If you did it, I missed it. Keep your speed down. Good, well done.